Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham build. Last time we seen this car, we attached the rear window onto it, actually. And I left the top on so that I could keep everything aligned. And in this video, we're going to take the top off and we're going to install the little side glass vents windows. And I think that's as far as we're going to go. It's going to be a short video. And I'll let those dry before cementing the top onto the front windshield and rear glass. Boy, I'm having trouble concentrating tonight. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. But I already put a dab of the window cement. And we are going to, I believe I'm just going to put it on the back side of the window and a little bit maybe on the door where it sits down. I think that'll be the easiest way for me to do it. We'll get this side on, then I'll probably flip the car around and do the other side. So let's go ahead and we're going to apply it with a toothpick. And just put some on there. The stuff is pretty runny. So we want to make sure. Well, I think I'm going to put that in the bottom. I'm shaking way too much for that stuff. I got to look at these to see if there's a certain direction these are supposed to go. Almost looks like one part's flat and one part's kind of angled. I would think the flat part would be toward the bottom. Is it the same on this side? Better check that out. Oh, I guess they're both kind of angled a little bit. It's an optical illusion because I bare metal foiled the edges and I couldn't really tell. So they look like identical glass pieces. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on the bottom of the glass piece this time. And I'm not in too big of a rush because I want it to kind of tack up a little bit before I put it on. Maybe, yeah, let's just do it. Maybe I will put a little bit on the window itself. I'd kind of like an instant glue, but I don't know if it's going to fog. You know what I mean? Make sure there's nothing on my fingers. Put it down in place. That don't look too bad, really. Do I dare mess with it? Looks alright, and then just kind of straighten it out a little bit. I think we got that side. That worked out pretty well, actually. I'm going to make sure I don't got none on my fingers again. Check it from this side. It looks pretty darn good there. So we'll go ahead and flip the car around. And we'll get this side, and it's going to require more glue than I thought. The last time I kind of wasted half of it. we go. A little bit more. And let's go ahead. I'm going to turn it this way. I can get a better angle at gluing the windshield portion. And I noticed it does run a bit, so. Alright, got some on there. And then we'll grab our side vent glass. Make sure the chrome part's toward the back. And just a little bit for the bottom too. Alright, I'm going to pull this up here because when I started recording I almost put my sleeve in it. That is not good. Oh, I still haven't gotten that little piece of bare metal foil that was... There it is, it broke off. Cool. Just... get it. Just kind of sticking to my thumb. There we go. Before I press it down, I want to make sure wow, I'm struggling with that. Okay, let's not get it right on that paint. Besides being a pain in the butt. Should have probably let it tack up more. There we go. No, we don't got it, do we? Wants to stick to my thumb more than the model. Man, I'm shaking again. A bit more than I should be. Oh, landed it in the interior. Got it stuck. Alright. Wow, I don't know what the deal is with this side. It is not treating me well. There. Now set. We get it? The little pushed out at the bottom. There we go. That's something I can live with. Wow, that was quite a deal there. And it looks like it's coming in a little bit more. Let's see if I can. That's better. All right. We have side vent windows. I'm going to let that dry pretty well before I touch that again. And then in the next video, we'll be using the same glue, because I don't know if any other glue is going to fog the windows. This stuff dries like very clear. So it's very forgiving. Even if you get some glue on the window, it dries pretty clear and you can't even see it. So that's why I'd prefer to use that than anything. And it does seem to hold really well. It says dries in an hour, and I believe it, because the front and back the windshield in the front and the back window glued, they were pretty strong bonds. So anyways, that's a 12-minute video of me struggling with two side windows. Like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.